setting up Vilakazi, and I think Vilakazi played a very, very beautiful goal, shot at goal. Unfortunately, Umsibi is very, very brilliant. So Nwabali needs to actually work his socks off, because Umsibi on that goal has been very, very brilliant. I saw him against the Pirates. I saw him today against the Chiefs. Two Mfundo Vilakazi denied Mfundo Vilakazi goal, and also denied Ude Silva assist. And their save was very, very crucial, because Ione ends the game, iphele ngo 0-0. But on the other hand, no sakhuluma ngayo iKaizer Chiefs ne-attack yayo. UVelebhayi on the first after he crossed the ayiwiphile, and then right defender Ude Silva, I think he was very, very quiet. Sergio Kami, I think, somehow got the best of him. But he was very, very dangerous, Uvelebhayi, when he cuts in and actually play those diagonal long passes or cross-ins. But